Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over my first impression on this swan neck massage gun from Careking. So I do want to thank Careking for actually gifting this to me. So what we essentially have here is a really neat way of trying to innovate the massage guns. I've used a fair share of massage guns myself, and let's say that I start to work out back, my back feels kind of sore. I don't really have the flexibility to get that massage gun and apply it to my back. But with the swan neck massage gun from Careking, it includes this swan neck piece where it just uses an unlock and locking mechanism, this portion here, to make the actual massage gun itself more extendable. So this is the main portion of the massage gun. You basically just press it and it has different modes. And then it can act as a regular massage gun. So again, it uses like a locking mechanism. So you just twist to unlock, twist to lock. And when you press it, the massage gun starts to work. Now there's different speed modes. There's up to 5 speed modes as far as the massaging goes. So it's very easy to use. There's only 2 main buttons here. And then if you want to go ahead and reach those harder to area parts of your body, you just got to twist the massage gun head, apply this portion, twist it to lock it, and then same thing. Get this head and then twist to lock it again. And so it looks like this, and now it's extendable. And now I'm able to reach those hard to reach areas and my back, just like that. Now with this swan neck massage gun, I'd say it's really useful, especially if you're, again, working out back or basically anywhere around your body where you want to massage, but it's hard to reach. But it also includes different massage points. So there's 4 total, just for larger muscles, larger surface area muscles, and more fine-tuned muscles like this one here can be used. It is rechargeable, so it doesn't need to be plugged in order for it to be used, but it does include a Type-C cable to go ahead and use this massage gun. But overall, I'd say that this is a really neat way to kind of go ahead and innovate the massage guns that are out there. I'd say regular massage guns, they mainly function with just like this, right? So they mainly function just like this, and then you're pretty much limited to like your arms, then your legs. Maybe you might be able to reach your body, but you really are going to be pushing/stretching it. But yeah, this is a really neat way. I mean, I'd say at least having the option to actually use this to get those hard to reach areas is really neat. But overall, I've had no problems with it whatsoever.